In this driver operation video, you'll learn how to operate Thermo King SB Series trailer refrigeration units equipped with the Micro P6 microprocessor controller. A 4-cylinder diesel engine powers these units. Some SB Series units may also have an optional electric standby motor, and if so equipped, may be operated using the electric standby motor and appropriate electrical power supply instead of the diesel engine. In order to successfully start the unit on diesel or electric standby, the on-off switch must be turned on. The standard display shows return air temperature in the upper display and set point temperature in the lower display. The unit will then automatically preheat and start. Approximately 120 seconds later, the engine may change to high-speed operation. To stop the unit, place the on-off switch in the off position. The display will turn off. To change set point, open the keypad cover. Then press the up or down arrow until the desired box temperature is displayed. Once the desired box temperature is displayed, press the Enter key. Load appears, indicating the new value is being entered. The new set point will be displayed, verifying it was entered. Close the keypad cover. Whether running on engine or electric, SB Series units can be operated as cycle sentry, start-stop, or continuous run units. To change the setting, press the Modes key repeatedly until cycle S appears. Then press the up or down arrow to select between Yes and No. Yes means the unit will automatically start and stop to maintain temperature. No means the unit will run continuously to maintain temperature. Once you've made your selection, press Enter. Load indicates the change is being entered. The display then returns to normal. During normal unit operation, repeatedly pressing the Select key will scroll the controller through a variety of unit operating information, such as discharge air temperature, temperature difference across the evaporator, evaporator coil temperature, ambient or outside air temperature, and other unit operating data. The Hours key and Gauges key can be used similarly to display additional unit operating information. Although SB Series units defrost automatically as required, defrost can also be initiated manually. To do so, press the Mode key. If available, DEF appears in the display. Then press Enter. Load will appear, indicating the command is being entered. The defrost icon will appear, indicating the unit has gone into defrost. If DEF does not appear, the unit is not yet cold enough to defrost. SB Series units also have a built-in manual pre-trip inspection function to verify proper unit operation. To successfully initiate a pre-trip inspection, there must be no alarms in memory. If there are, note and clear all alarms using the Code and Clear keys. Alarms will be discussed more later. To initiate the pre-trip, press the pre-trip key before the engine starts. Pre-trip appears. Press Enter. Pre-load indicates the pre-trip is being entered. An amps check will then be performed on unit electrical components. After the amps check is complete, the engine will preheat and start automatically. With the unit running, a display check will be performed. After the display check, the normal display will momentarily appear and the display will scroll through a list of unit operating data and programmable features. This may take several minutes. The unit will then operate in each of the various operating modes such as high-speed cool, low-speed cool, heat, and defrost. When the pre-trip is complete, Pass Trip should appear, indicating the unit passed the test. The unit returns to normal operation. To return to the normal display, press any key. If Check Trip or Fail Trip appears after the test, contact your Thermo King dealer for assistance. The pre-trip test may be terminated at any time by turning the unit off. If this is done, however, the controller may register several alarms, which must be cleared before the unit can be started again. This test may take up to 20 minutes depending on operating conditions, but may be run unattended. If an alarm occurs while you're on the road, the alarm icon will either be on or will be flashing. Press the code key repeatedly to display each alarm code. Be sure to document all alarm codes in memory, keeping in mind that there may be more than one. Once all alarm codes have been displayed and documented, press the clear key repeatedly to clear the alarms one by one. After the alarms are cleared, code 00 should appear, indicating there are no alarms in memory. The unit should then automatically preheat and start. Although the alarms cleared, they will most likely reoccur. To prevent unnecessary unit downtime and potential cargo damage, contact your Thermo King dealer immediately for assistance. The Micro P6 controller has electronic data logging capability for recording unit operating data. A start of trip, or SOT, places a marker in the data logger memory to identify the beginning of a new cargo trip. To initiate a start of trip, repeatedly press the pre-trip key until SOT appears. Then press Enter. Load briefly appears, indicating the start of trip is being entered. SOT reappears and the display will then return to normal. For additional SB Series unit operating information, refer to the SB Series unit's operator's manuals. Knowing how to properly operate Thermo King SB Series trailer units will help make your job easier and help ensure the cargo you are carrying arrives at its destination in prime condition.